Mas malakas, mas matipid, at mas malinis na engine, that is the promise of the latest breakthrough fuel-saving device in the market today. Samahan niyo po ako, tanungin natin kay VP Mark kung paano niya tinuturuan ng mga installers natin na ikabit ang twin booster fuel saver sa mga sasakyan.
Okay, we would like to assure our customers and clients, ever since 9 years ago, sa lahat po ng libo-libo na na-installan namin, ay talagang sinisika po namin na kung papaano 100% yung aming pong perfect combustion. Ganon din po yung aming installation. Kasi useless po lahat yung sinasabi namin na baka papakinabangan niyo po rito sa aming product kung hindi po perfect yung aming installation. So first, we see to it na yung aming mga installers ay well-trained. Hindi lang basta well-trained po yan. Talagang dumaan po yan sa series of trainings at hindi lang dadaan ng training yan kung hindi pa sila mechanics. Talagang mechanics na po sila. We hired real mechanics and then we trained them hard sa lahat ng klase po ng sasakyan. At we see to it na nakabantay po yung aming pong mga head ng aming product development para makita na perfect po yun. Hindi namin sila pwedeng palabasin unless nakapag-practice sila sa aming office ng at least mga 50 to 100 installations na kabit, balik sa mga diesel, gas, and LPG vehicles. Before we even touch your vehicle, we have a lot of checklists to do. Of course, we have to see na yung car mo talagang nasa kondisyon. Kasi hindi naman po solusyon yung aming fuel saver sa mga blue buy na cars or talagang medyo napabayaan sa langis, napabayaan sa tubig, walang maintenance, wala pong mga regular checkups. So we see to it first na condition po yung car. And then we will tell you if hindi siya condition na paayos po na natin bago po namin kabitan ng twin booster fuel saver. Kasi nga po wala nga kami sa gas, wala kami sa oil, wala kami sa battery, wala sa electricity. So nandun na kami sa air. Eh baka biglang may mangyari sa langis, natuyo, wala kaming kinalaman po doon. Sa gas, wala kaming kinalaman. Electricity, wala po. So sa air lang talaga. So we see to it na talagang yung inyong sasakyan, ang kulang lang talaga, power. Tapos, malakas siya sa gasolina. At medyo meron siyang black smoke emission. Then we proceed. The moment we proceed, alam na po ng mechanics namin ang gagawin. Kasi na-test na po nila all types and all brands of cars and vehicles. Hindi namin ipapahipo po yung sasakyan nyo kung hindi pa niya nasubukan yung ganong klaseng sasakyan. We see it, natatawag kami ng isang mechanic namin na talagang tried and tested niya yung ganong cars. Kung let's say Toyota, ang kanyang expertise, Toyota po na technical team ang pupunta sa inyo. Kung let's say mga European cars po yan, ganon din po. So we have tried all kinds and all brands. Talagang sigurado po kami na pag nakabitan po natin yan, eh yun po yung dapat magkabit, tama ang kabit, at perfect yung combustion kasi perfect po yung ating installation. Pag kinabit po natin yan sa inyong car, pag-angat po natin ng hood, makikita po natin engine bay, makikita niyo po siya na naka-install doon, na nasa ibabaw lang po. Tanaw na tanaw po siya, no? Tapos may hose na nakabit, papunta po sa air intake. Ganun lang po siyang kasimple. No? Lalong gumanda pa po yung inyong engine bay. Na para siyang naging accessory napakaganda doon. We would like to assure the public that our product is really very safe. That's why we give 15-day money-back guarantee and 1-year warranty for all our twin booster fuel saver. Remember, we're just connected in the air intake from the atmosphere. We will just bring in our dry fuel inside the combustion, where you are burning about 85% of your fuel coming from your tank. And then when the two fuel meets, then we have a perfect combustion. So that's why you can save a lot of savings and gasoline and a lot of power and no emission at all. So whether your car is brand new, kalalabas lang talaga kanina, or medyo nando pa siya sa first 100,000 or 5 years, whichever comes first, hindi po mananal and void ang inyong warranty. Kasi again, inuulit ko, wala po kami sa fuel line, wala sa oil line, wala sa battery, wala sa electricity. Nandun lang po kami sa atmospheric air na nakakabit para the moment umandar po ang inyong engine, ihigo po siya ng dry fuel coming from our canister. That's why it's really very safe. Dahil nga po dyan sa maraming products na nagdaan, kaya gumanda po itong aming Twin Booster Fuel Saver. Finally, may isa talagang totoo. Diba? So at least nasubukan nyo lahat yan. And if there's one connected to your car right now, we would like to test those things na nakakabit sa inyo and then subukan nyo yung sa amin. Then kung wala pong difference, remember, we have 15-day money back. You can simply return the product, we will return your money. No questions asked.
Clean environment, extra savings, and new power. The perfect solution for engine combustion. Twin Booster Fuel Saver. Let's boost your life!
Be part of it. Grab it. Be the first one in your area to have it. Call our franchise hotline today.